Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying a zipline you can use. Aim and press your interact key to grab it, and you'll latch on instantly. Once latched, decide whether to hold, slide off, or jump. Each does different things. Make sure to scan for enemies and teammates first so you don't expose allies or leap into fire. The reason you act fast is momentum. Ziplines preserve speed and let you reposition quickly, so start moving the moment you're stable. Once you're on the zipline, use short jumps to extend range and alter your arc. You'll keep horizontal velocity and can dodge shots. If you need to engage, peek by aiming while latched. This keeps your profile smaller and confuses opponents. Make sure to time crouch or slide just before release to lower your hitbox and preserve momentum into a sprint. The why is simple. These moves control where you land and how quickly you're ready to fight after leaving the line. As you leave the zipline, pick a landing that gives you instant cover or sight advantage. You want height or concealment to exploit momentum. Once down, make sure to snap your weapon to target and heal or shield up if you took damage during transit. If something goes wrong, like getting snagged or losing control, you can reattach, cancel the animation by jumping, or dash to clear obstacles. That troubleshooting move prevents deaths and gets you back into the fight quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.